Good morning children, welcome to my class. So in your science class today I am going to start lesson 10. This is light and shadows. Okay. So in this lesson you are going to study about light, shadows, rotation and revolution of earth, formation of day and night and eclipse. All these topics we are going to study about, but let us start with light. Okay. So you see here, can you see the chair, table, book or other things around you when it's dark? When it is completely dark. Suppose you are in a room and it is completely dark. Can you see anything? Anything? The answer is no, you cannot see. Why you cannot see? This is because of light. You cannot see any object without light. If there is light, you can see something. Everything is visible to you if there is light. And if there is no light, nothing is visible to you. Okay. So to view things you need a source of light such as sun, bulb, tube light, burning candle or torch. Yes, if there is light you can view anything, but to view that particular thing you need a light. It may be a light of a candle, it may be a light of a bulb, a tube light, anything it can be. Okay. In this chapter you will learn more about light and its significance. What is the meaning of significance? The importance. Light, we are going to learn about light and the importance of light, its significance. Okay. Now light, let us start. We know that light is a form of energy that enables us to see things. What is light? Light is a form of energy. You have to keep in mind this, that what is light? Light is a form of energy that enables us to see things, that helps us to see things. Okay. Sun and stars are natural sources of light. What are the natural sources? Sun and stars. You see, sun is the natural source of light. Does it take light from something? No. Okay. It has its own light. So sun is the natural source of light and stars also. So they also have natural source of light. Okay. Now you see here, they emit light of their own. They give out light of their own. They emit light. Such objects which emit lights of their own are called luminous objects. Okay, you have already studied about luminous objects and non-luminous objects. But in detail we are going to study here. Such objects which emit light of their own are called luminous objects. Such objects that give out light of their own are called luminous objects. Okay. Some organisms like fire glow, glowworm and lanternfish also emit light of their own. You will see at night a small insect. There are small insects that glows. Green light is there. Okay. So you will see this like firefly also. Then this glowworm. Actually that is glowworm and lanternfish. They emit their own light. They have light. They have light on their, actually they have light on their body that emits. Okay. Now let us come to artificial sources of light, or you can say non-luminous sources of light. Man-made objects like bulb, tube light, torch and candle also emit light. See, at night you are studying with the help of tube light or with the help of a bulb. So who has made this light? Man has made this light. Okay. They also emit light. They also give us light. Okay. These are artificial sources of light. So you can now easily differentiate between natural sources of light and artificial sources of light. Okay. These objects are visible in dark, but you can see them in the presence of source of light. Okay. These objects are visible in dark, but you can see them in the presence of a source of light. Yes. Such objects do not have light of their own, but are visible when light falls on them, are called non-luminous objects. You see here we talked about artificial sources of light. Okay. Now you see some objects, they do not have light of their own. See, there are many things in your room. You will see they do not emit light. They do not have light of their own. But when light falls on them, what happens? But are visible when light falls on them and are called non-luminous objects. What they are called? They are called non-luminous objects. So here you studied about luminous objects and non-luminous objects. Okay. Objects can be classified as transparent, translucent and opaque based on the ability of light to pass through them. So you see here, objects can be classified. Now you see, if I say you, a chair is there. Can you see through the chair? You cannot see through that chair. But if a glass is there, a window pane is made of glass, you can see the outside view, you can see. If trees are there, plants are there, whatever is there, houses are there, you can see outside of the window through that glass. But you cannot see through a chair. Can you see that at the other side? Can you see if it is made of plastic or if it is made of wood? So you cannot see. So here you see objects can be classified as transparent. You can say the glass is transparent. Translucent, that is you can not see clearly, but hazy you can see. And opaque, the chair is an opaque object. You cannot see the other side. Okay, so based on the ability of light to pass through them. So how can we differentiate between them? What are translucent, what are transparent, and what are opaque objects? So in the next class we are going to study about the objects that can be classified as transparent, translucent and opaque. Okay children, please go through these three paragraphs I taught you today of lesson 10, light and shadows. Thank you.